just come here and record. Just hold it right there. Just watch me. Okay, so right here, it looks like there might not be enough glue, so I'm just gonna quickly add just a little bit more. If there's too much, it might seep out the sides, and then we can just wipe it up. But if there's too little, then you'll create a problem. Okay, so there's no air bubbles, and now I'm going to place the screen on very carefully. You start at the top, and you want to make contact with the glue. Oh, see, I have a little air bubble right there. I came down too quickly, so I'm just going to back off. It's still okay. And the sticky tape is holding it down. So if that happens to you, you can see there's a little air bubble. I'm just going to pop it. There you go. So I popped the air bubble. So I'm going to try again. This time I'll just go even slower. Okay. So it made contact up here. Now I'm slowly going to lower it. But make sure you have that screwdriver up here. It's very important. Okay, see the glue making contact? Now you just want to get it to the end without any air bubbles, and then once you get there, you can just squeeze the glue out on the sides, and that'll be the easy part. So just let it come down by itself. I'm slowly moving the screwdriver back. Okay, it's almost there. So here, just be very careful. This is where you can get a lot of air bubbles if you're not careful. Okay, and it's almost there. All right, good. Now, that looks safe. I released the screwdriver. I'm just going to line it up, and I'm just going to let it come down on itself. So I don't need to push it down yet. I might have put too much glue actually, so I got some tissue ready. I can just wipe it up. See, some glue is coming out from the button. I don't think it'd be too much of a problem. I'm going to wipe it up, and then once all the glue is squeezed out from the sides, it'll be time to set it in the sun for about 15-20 minutes for the glue to cure. So you can see it's almost done. This is going to create a nice seal. You won't have that air gap in between the glass and the LCD if you just use the tape. But if you use the glue and the tape, I think it will make a really good repair. Now I bought the glass replacement for $10 and the glue for like $20. And this tape, it was like $3 for the whole roll. Okay, so I'm just going to gently give a little pressure here to get rid of the air bubble. You can see here, and then up here. See, I don't have to do much pressing down because I had enough glue. But if you notice that you did not have enough glue and you had to press down really hard, you might want to just start all over and add more glue. See, now all the air bubbles are gone on the bottom and just a little bit more on top. So the amount of glue I put on was sufficient. It might have been about 2 millimeters. And see, there's some glue seeping out down here. Just going to wipe it up. And that's it. That's the repair. I'm going to set it out after this is pressed down nicely. I'm going to set it out in the sun. Alright, thank you.